Okay, first I will explain about the background of company. The rising trend and adopting a healthy lifestyle and increasing active participation of the young population in sports related activities is expected to propel the demand for the shoes market. Growing innovation in the running shoes market, such as increased functionally and lightweight athlete shoes for running and jogging for both women and men, is also expected to influence the market over the forecast period positively. Next, the company sells the shoes through the online marketplace using the TikTok platform, Facebook and Instagram. If customer want to self pick up, we also can encourage. We also care about the customer opinion if there is a shortage in the terms of service or product, because the customer will also increase our sale revenue. Okay, second is name of business. For our business name is Fit Shoes Sedian Berhad. We put this name because shoes that are suitable for consumers, such as the shoes we provide that are branded Flash. Okay, next is nature of business. First, we focus on footwear serve. Second, our principal business activities is the design. Third is development and worldwide marketing of high quality footwear. Fourth is sell our products to retail accounts and through a mix of independent distributors license and subsidiaries in over around the world. And lastly, our high quality shoes with tracking technology, calculate the pulse rate, use the application to detect the frequency distance of shoes with a phone within 10 km. Okay, next is our location of business. Our business located at Lot 25, 1/2 Jalan Persiaran Kemuning, Senawang, 70450, Seremban, Negeri Sembilan. Okay, next is our mission and vision. Mission is always keep the product in good condition and quality for the consumer in the long time. And for vision is able to further advance our product and able to introduce our products around the world, so our products can stand stronger than other products and can meet unlimited needs.
Sport product and explanation. Our product name is Flash. First, the goodness of the shoes can calculate the time and speed in individual run. Second, the shoes also can connect to a smartphone and has an app that has been specially prepared for the shoes and the rate, speed and time. Third, and can also contain the pulse rate. Our target market is one pair RM220 and annual target 1,000 pairs for sale.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my name is Nurul Putijana binti Ishak. So the next slide I will present about branding of the product. So the first one is logo and description. 3.1. As you all can see, our company logo produce a variety of colors and emblems that they have ever own meaning. So first, the symbols of the leaf around its symbolize or means to symbolize freshness or energy. This kind of symbolizes the freshness of a person when wearing the shoes that we remove, and a person has a lot of energy. So the second is a color yellow. Means symbolize the color of the flash custom lighting. The yellow color will light up in a dark place or when the user wears the shoes at the night. Yellow light, flash, yellow color light that is radiating, glowing. That's why we call it a flash. So the third is maroon. Maroon color we got in idea from customer the flash. So the color maroon, we got the idea from our customer yang dah membeli kasut tersebut. Dia orang mencadangkan untuk membeli color maroons. Okay, for the fourth, the color red symbolize courage and cause the user to be challenged and eager to keep stepping and running using flash shoes. And last is symbols F. In these shoes is a system that can calculate the speed of time and pass rate as mentioned above, and the symbol F will light up if a night. So next and the last part from me is 3.2 is motto this company. winner trains, loser complain. So the meanings of winner trains, loser complain is this applies to everyone working in any field of profession, as winners would never complain even if they lost a fight, but would rather train to improve themselves, while losers would prefer complaining over training. So that's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Muhammad Faris Najwan bin Kamarata. For now, I will present about price. Firstly, is pricing goals. Our company target is 150,000 and above for a year. And second is pricing tactics. We are asking customer our opinions and identify ways to solve price problems. Next is spot distribution marketing channel. So customer can contact our company at Instagram or TikTok and also at Facebook. So next is design and layout. For our company, we have two design and layout, such as for the first, we have a shoes and don't have a logo, and another one have a logo. For the colors, we have two main colors, such as is the white color and another one is the red colors. For our company, we will make many choice colors for the future. Thank you.
Okay, for the next slide is a promotion tools. 6.1 advertising. Firstly is a media. Promote our shoes brand by using media through Facebook, TikTok and Instagram. This can attract customer to buy our shoes brand. And second is a poster. Use advertising poster method to feature expand the shoes business internationally. And 6.2 is a special promotions. Our company offer discount on every special day, for example, Merdeka Days. And second is a 30% discount. Offer a discount of 30% of the actually price of our brand shoes. Lastly is a conclusion. As a conclusion, aim to bring inspiration and innovation to every athlete in the world and consider everybody to be an athlete. As a high-profile, industry-leading sport company, Flash One continues strive to keep itself at the forefront of production, innovation, and design. Through extensive research and development, the Flash shoes was created in response to the recognition that barefoot running can strengthen athlete feet and leg naturally and will ensure the quality of shoes production is maintained and guarantee safe to use and have world-class technology.